Here I'm going to show you an example of an 8.5 by 11 double-sided flyer. So I will have already sent you an email with the project that needs printing, and you will come over to the RSD computer and you will go to the bottom file, which is print pickup stuff. So you will click in here. Here you will see the files that need to be printed. The top two are for my own file management and archiving system, so you don't need to click into those. But the one that says Job 1, Team DeJohn, is our example for today. And there might be other jobs listed as well that you would want to print, but we're just going to do our example here, so we'll click in. I don't usually do a cover sheet for flyers and brochures that are really basic and are self-explanatory. So there is no cover sheet for this one. The agent requested 20, so we will print 20. We'll click into the file. This is what it looks like. I usually just double check the two sides to make sure they look good. And then I go in and I click print. Double check that the printer is Sharp MX5071S PCL6. It should be the default. Then go into properties. And what you will do is for flyers, we use the bottom left tray. So basically tray 3 is what we call it. I click that in the bottom picture. And then since these are a two-sided flyer, we will go into this section called two-sided printing. In the drop-down menu, we will click long edge because we are flipping along the long edge. And then we will hit OK. For the number of copies, it's whatever the agent told me and I relayed to you in the email. So they wanted 20. So I'm going to type in 20 into the copies box. Pages to print, all. And then for the size option, we will click shrink oversized pages. You could do actual size, but I generally do shrink to oversized page. Then I check choose page source by PDF, make sure that's checked. Then I make sure print on both sides of paper is checked. And I also make sure that flip along the long edge is checked. The orientation should be auto portrait, and then you should be good to go. So then you can hit print. After you print that one, if there's anything else, then you'll just go along the line. After you're done printing that, just shoot me an email that you have finished printing it, and then I can add it to the billing. Just leave everything in the folder after you're done with it. I will do my archiving system to save all these files for if agents have any questions or need anything or have any concerns. So just leave everything in the folder and I can archive it after you're done.